Embracing fitness in the new year can be a daunting task for first-timers. There's so much information available and so many resources to choose from, it often gets confusing what's best for your body. Luckily, investing in a fitness tracker, such as the Fitbit Charge 5, can bring you a world of benefits, especially with the newly launched Daily Readiness Score that tells you how ready you are for a workout. The Fitbit Charge 5 is the newest addition to the Fitbit family and has advanced features such as built-in GPS, 20 workout modes, stress management, colour display, and up to 7 days battery life. The Daily Readiness Score is a Fitbit premium experience that uses insights from your body such as your activity, heart rate variability, and recent sleep patterns to help you determine if you should work out or prioritise recovery. By wearing your Fitbit device daily, you'll receive a personalised score each morning, ranging from excellent to low, with details on what impacted it, along with suggestions like a recommended activity and premium content to help you make the best decisions for your body. On the days where the score is between 30 and 100, you'll be prompted to seize the day with a personalised active zone minutes target. It includes a selection of over 500 audio and video workouts for you to work through, leaving you energised for the day. On days where your daily readiness score is less than 30, you don't have to feel down about it. This means your body is fatigued, so the Fitbit app will recommend you take on less strenuous routines instead, such as yoga, meditation, and stretching. Pulled from an extensive library of content from wellness experts like Aptiv, Aura, Breathe, Calm, Mindful Method by Deepak Chopra, and more. In this way, you'll know exactly when your body is up to a challenging workout and when it needs to take things slow, thus maximising your workout effectiveness and keeping your body in tune with its needs. Over time, you'll learn to adapt your routine to improve your score, whether it's going to bed earlier or pushing yourself harder during a workout. Whether you're a pro at working out or just getting started with fitness, Fitbit's Daily Readiness Score will guide you on your daily fitness journey and make sure that your body is getting the best it deserves.